Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include rear-view camera, heated mirrors, third-row seating, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2018 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.